心了。等你决赛了，我再回来看。
你怎么口气比我还大呀？直接进决赛了。
我掐指一算，这次你有机会夺冠。
还掐指一算，不许给我压力。
好，不给你压力。
Ladies and gentlemen, and the next game of the Women's 9-Ball Open is about to begin. First of all, let's welcome Yin Guo. Last time in this game, she has defeated many veterans as a young player and finished as a runner-up. She is definitely a dark horse. This year, she's back and currently shining in the top 5 of the world ranking. As a talented young prospect, she is the new hope of the Chinese team to win the championship this year.
And her opponent is Ashley, who has won 2 championships and 3 runner-ups in her professional career. We didn't expect that the last game in this stage would be just as exciting as the final.
What a pity that only one of these 2 great players will advance to the next stage of the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, the next game of the Women's 9-Ball Open begins now!
Welcome, please. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ashley is the breaker. We apply the rules of winner break in this tournament.
Ashley, break.
is 8.
From 0 to 8, Yin Guo has turned the table. That's amazing.
决胜局不看了。
他有球权，不会失误的。这一局他一定会赢。
李阳哥这心理素质比嫂子还好，决胜局都不看了。
才不是呢，他是不敢看了，紧张了他。
那我看。
杨哥，你真不看了？
客人还有10分钟就要到了，准备一下。
装。